Salvelo Matregla. So today we are going to just one short trip, one day trip to some very old temples, and also if possible we are planning to also go to falls as well. And after very long, it's raining! Barsa! Full Barsa! So this will be more exciting now because the rain drive will be still more beautiful, and I'm just loving this tree. Look at this tree. Barsa! So let's see, we'll pick two of my friends and then we'll head towards the place and I'll keep you updated. Now we picked Miss PK first. We picked PK.
Hello.
And we picked her from Mangalore. As soon as we picked her, it started Barsa coming.
Yes.
And then we have our Karkala girl, Vindhya Kamath, the alpha of all of us, who has an alpha phone. And we are
properly, man. One nice vlog you do.
Nice. We are like this only. Dada malpun namak experience ichi.
We're all tuta-putas.
How much we can we do? How much we can't we don't?
You should start. Good morning, guys. So today we are going to explore some hidden gems around Mangalore. All that you should talk. What is this? And the plan for today is going with the flow. What? Whom is recording? Car or me?
No, it's GoPro. See, you'll be.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm visible. Only my fat face is visible.
That is there.
Give, I'll take one road.
See, talk. We are going somewhere. What?
Okay, so we have picked people up. PK is there, Vindhya is there, and
Vindhya,
now
say hi.
And now the next
Hello.
plan is, we don't know what the plan is. We just saw some nice temples there and one falls there. So we thought we'll go to those temple and falls. But sudden random plan is that we will want to do some cooking and all. And we have a master chef Priyanka Kamath with us, aka PK. So she's going to cook us some nice Maggi Shaggy and all. Initially we thought pulao shulao, but pulao shulao ka a lot of janjat is there. We didn't come fully prepared for it. So Kas is not the problem.
No, Kas is not the problem.
But preparation is the problem.
Ingredients are the problem.
Cut.
So we wanted to make pulav. We wanted to cook pulav but none of us were prepared and it was a very random plan. So Vindhya came up with an idea saying, let's make Maggi. Imagine Maggi by the riverside. Imagine making. Hey, what? Power off. No, it's recording. It's recording. It's recording. So we are making Maggi. Location is not decided, but we'll find out one place. We'll figure out one place and make some amazing Maggi for lunch, and we'll keep you posted soon. Now we are heading to the temple.
So much will not come. It'll be 30
Wow,
minutes.
it's coming nice. See the scenery. Clouds and all are looking nice. Road is also looking nice.
K20 Gadi is also looking
Okay.
I missed the turn only. So we have come to our first temple, that is this one. We don't know which temple is this, but outside it looked very beautiful. So, and there's a nice beautiful big tree, and our alpha is got ready and gone, and she's going there. This is the temple we are going. So this is the temple. Looks very beautiful. I think once it gets fully constructed, it looks still more beautiful. Oh, a lot of fishes. What happened? Where is she? Thick.
It's eating flowers, no?
But, oh, it's coming in there. Nice water wala panapanitis. How do you feel here?
Peaceful. Oh, look at them, so many.
Now we're planning to go to a temple which we don't know. There is no proper route for it.
And we don't know if the temple is open.
We don't know if there is a temple there. But still we are going because हमको आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. और से इंडिया
Yes, yes.
आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं.
Yes, yes.
और कर भी रहे हैं.
All can. There are two ways.
Oh, but something looks really beautiful.
Wow.
It's like Sari Pallaka, that viewpoint when it comes, no?
Can go.
Let's just stop here and walk. Like go back. Pause where? There is.
Nishant,
Come down.
slowly.
Come. Take it to the left. इधर यार उनको
Slow. Come. There is a. Yeah.
wait.
Come. Yeah, come.
Come back. Take to the right.
Take right. Hey, Vindhya, te pattor kadi. Vindhya, wait. Nishant, wait. Slowly, come. Slowly you come.
Wow.
We have reached the top, hilltop. How do you feel?
Feels good. It's peaceful out here.
Satyakadi. So we have come to a Daivasthana on top of a hill which we accidentally discovered and the views here are,
And the moment we reach it rains.
yes, the views are amazing. And the moment we stepped in here, it started raining.
That looks like Panaji only.
ಕೋಲಾರ ಬಂಡಿ ಕೋಲಾರ ಜೀರ್ಣೋದ್ಧಾರ ಈ ವರ್ಷನೇ ಏನಿದೆ
ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಹೊಡಿಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುರ ಗ್ರಾಸ್
It's very rare to get all the view. Like Mudbidri is one side, Padubidri is one side.
That's what I said, no, almost 3.
Now we have come to a different temple and our Alpha is taking a video of this beautiful temple. How is it, Alpha, this one?
It's good.
How was the previous temple?
Beautiful.
So let's go to this temple. That is the dam over there. Water is flowing but no much water. Let's you go inside. This temple is very old temple. The dam is over there, and here there is no water, but in the other side there is water. So let's go to the other side and feel the water. There is one horsey over here, one horsey. Oh wow, water level here, water level here. Look at the comparison. Water level here and water level here. so much difference. This is beautiful. This is super beautiful.
Yes.
Now we are going to a different temple which is in the middle of the Kadu. We are taking this off road and we are going to a different temple. Which temple is it?
It is Nelli Tirthash.
Okay.
It's a Shiva temple and it's very beautiful. And I don't know what to speak. Sorry, guys.
Did we come to somebody's house?
We apparently came to somebody's house.
Oh.